Welcome to Slits Car Care. Today is a big day. I have bought a new car. It's got alloy wheels, it's got phone connectivity, it's got a 5-speed manual gearbox, and it's not this one behind me, but it may well be the bargain of the century. Right, I'm now taking you round to have a look. But do me a favour, before you see it, press like, hit subscribe, don't forget to pop a comment, let us know what you think. Right, before I show you all my new car, you can see it's red. This car weighs less than a tonne, so you know performance is going to be good. Production of this car started in 1998. That means it's pretty much a classic, never going to lose a penny. So the company that makes this car is owned by the same company that owns Bugatti. Have you got any idea what it is? No? Okay, let me show you. Welcome to my new car. Although this car is a 2004, you would never tell it's got straight out the factory. Also, this car was bought in cash, not on finance. And the amazing part of this is I managed to secure myself this stunning deal of a car, this absolute specimen, for just 20 Great British pounds. And I know what you're all wanting. You want me to run you through the features on this, say it, a rouser. So let's start off with the paintwork. As you can see, it's as glossy and as fresh as the day it left the factory, with only minor damage to this door handle. Now, as these cars are so obviously designed for the racetrack, it actually comes from Sayet with drift stitching, so you don't worry too much about scuffing a bumper on track. And another brilliant safety feature is these anti-dazzle headlights. They've actually covered these headlights in a yellow frosting to ensure that you're not dazzling oncoming road users. And it even came factory fitted with alloy wheels, 14 inches of automotive perfection. Now you might think that this seat is a different colour to the others, but in fact you're wrong. These came factory fitted with a cheap Halfords car cover. And to the untrained eye, you may think that this door is off another car due to the hole which looks like it's for a manual window. But this is actually a safety feature. In case you lose the door handle, you can use this as a door pull. Sounds just like a Golf. I would say the only design flaw with this car is the fact they didn't fit this safety feature on the passenger side, because it appears the door handle has fell off. This car came to us fitted with USB for the ultimate audio experience. James Corden hit me up for carpool karaoke. And look at this stunning finish leatherette gear gaiter, and quite possibly one of the best features on the car. Ah, double cup holder. And now I know there's one thing that you are really all interested in, which is what's in the engine bay, so let me show you. So this is the 1 litre MPI that I think also comes in the Ferrari 458. Now this specimen must create somewhere between 600 and 700 horsepower, so you can imagine this is a real weapon on the road. Now would you believe it, this car also comes with electric window. And that's purely because the driver's side does nothing. And I can see what you're thinking. Chris, how did you get such a fine specimen of a car? An absolute factory fresh, perfect example for 20 great British pounds. And I'll be honest, I didn't. This car does have a few flaws. Yes, one of the windows doesn't work. Yes, the handbrake is also purely for decorative purposes. And also the clutch slips. This car must have come from factory with less than 60 horsepower and it's now 16 years old. How does it have enough power to make the clutch slip? But as always, with classics like these, they need fettling and they need love to get the best out of them. So, here's my idea. This is now my daily driver. I have sold my BMW M135 and I'm going to be driving this from now on. So yes, I've gone from a 3 litre with 400 horsepower to a 1 litre with a slipping clutch and 60 horsepower. Now as I said, this beautiful car has 101,000 miles on it and I want to see how long I can maintain it for by spending £20 or less on every part. So I've spent £20 on the car and I don't want to spend more than that on any part to fix it. So I've got to fit and buy a clutch for £20. I've got to fix the driver's window for £20. I've got to fix the handbrake for £20. So it's a little bit out there. We've got to beg, borrow and steal to make this work, but wish us luck. If you see us stuck at the side of the road because of something that I've bodged, please give me a lift home. But yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe to keep updated on the ongoings of the Arouser. And yeah, we'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching.